Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2009 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, multifunction display, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.